I'm your huckleberry.
Hey guys, RC and more here. I'm always getting questions in the comments section about the sound this Blazer has. Everybody's always asking me if I'm dubbing it in or how I'm doing it, and all it is just a little sound box. I think I paid like $70 for it on Amazon. I'll put the links down below of everything I've done to this thing. But it's just a little sound box that I hooked up to it. And I got this on magnetic clips too, by the way. I do recommend that. Makes life a lot easier. Yeah, anyway, here it is right here, the little sound box. Does the sound. It's actually connected in with the battery. So here it is right here with the wiring. Connected right there. It's got a little adapter. Now I had to put an adapter on here for the traxxas connector, so I didn't want to chop up the original one. But that's all it is, just a little sound box. You can also hook it up to your computer and change the sound, get different V8 sounds or diesel or something else, but it's pretty cool. But just hit the trigger. And it starts up, and give it gas and it starts revving up. You just leave it alone for about 10 seconds or so and it shuts off on its own. There it goes, it shuts off on its own. But anyway, that's all this is, just a little sound box I mounted on there. Like I said, I'll have a link in the description for everything I put in this truck. I got this little interior set for it also. I wanted to get a little more scale look for this truck. But anyway, I'll leave y'all with some running footage. That's all I wanted to show y'all. And y'all be good and take care.